अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 9th क्लास। आज हम फ़िज़िक्स के पहले 3 यूनिट में जो इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन हैं उन पे बात करेंगे ताकि फ़र्स्ट 3 यूनिट में से जो क्वेश्चन आपके पेपर में आ सकते हैं वो आप अच्छी तरह से तैयार कर लें। यूनिट नंबर 1 राइट 2 एडवांटेजेस ऑफ फिज़िक्स इन आवर डेली लाइफ। Define drive quantities and give an example. What is least count of vernier calipers? Define scientific notation and give one example. Define prefixes and give one example. Write 2 rules to find significant digits in a measurement. Difference between positive zero error and negative zero error. Difference between base quantities and derived quantities. What is meant by scientific notation? Define base and derived unit. Define physics. Estimate your age in seconds. What is meant by zero correction? Unit number 2. Define uniform velocity. Difference between rest and motion. Define velocity and uniform velocity. Define speed and uniform speed. Define displacement with the help of graph. Define uniform acceleration. Difference between rotatory and random motion. Derive first equation of motion. Write down formula and unit to find acceleration. Difference between linear motion and random motion. Define distance. Draw the graph of constant speed. Define gravitational acceleration. Unit number 3. Define momentum and write its unit. Difference between mass and weight. Why rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Difference between force and inertia. Define Newton's second law of motion. Define centripetal force. Why first law of motion is called law of inertia. Conservation of momentum. When gun is fired, it recoils. Why? Write down two methods of reduce friction. Define force and write its unit. How seat belts are useful in two ways at the time of driving. State principle of moments. ये फर्स्ट 3 यूनिट में जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन थे वो आज आपसे डिस्कस किए हैं। नेक्स्ट 3 इंशाल्लाह ताला हम उस पर कल बात करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज़।